Your favorite museum in Budapest?
My favorite museum in the world.
In the world? Oh.
This is Pop and Roll, the art toilet by Miklos. And it's a poop art museum.
So you can pay with cards, right?
Oh yeah, it's automated, very modern.
Yeah. And it's how much?
3,000 forint.
For 2 cards, right?
For 2 tickets, that's less than 10 euros. The exchange rate is 440 forints for 1 euro, I think, so this is less than 10 euros.
Yeah.
Synchronizing with server.
Okay, they're printing the cards.
Those are our tickets. There is yours.
Yeah, let's go.
Right.
It's like you are like entering the video game, like 19th video game, right?
Oh, yeah, he's using the tiles to create the appearance of pixelation. You see a pooping unicorn.
Yeah. And the music is also like 19th.
Oh, it's
19th video game. I think it's here.
Yeah, but also this guy. He is pooping, of
Hello.
course.
Okay. This is from one Hungarian artist.
Yes, his name is Miklos or Miklos Kish. So. Oh, come on.
It's not working? What?
It says use the QR code, but there is only a barcode. Okay.
We are a little bit okay, we are entering. Oh, who is this lady?
It's some pooping lady.
Yeah.
So the
This reminds me of the M&M. Yeah. Okay, let's go. This is a ladies' toilet.
Yeah, that's the ladies' toilet.
Yes. So you can also going in the toilet here.
Oh yeah, these are all functional toilets.
Yeah. So look at that. Wow.
Hello from Poopland.
Yeah. Okay, and the toilets are very creative, very.
I can smell the poop.
Let's see the other one. They're all different, so this is it.
That's a poopy video game.
Poopy? Yeah. Poopy video game, okay. Is this game existing really, or you just made up?
No, it just looks like a poopy video game. See explosions if you fart while you're pooping.
So every toilet have a different decoration. Ah, this is the same. Okay.
It's similar.
Similar, yeah.
And it says do not disturb.
What is that? Oh.
No, she's pooping.
Okay.
Let her be. Oh yeah.
Somebody watching.
Wow.
Someone watching.
Well,
Or somebody.
you have something to do while you're pooping.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this is the mirrors are, yeah.
This is like 90s rap video room. Yeah, I think it would be a pleasure to take a shit here.
But you already done that last year, right?
Oh, I tried that, but I was too shy. You know how I am about public toilets.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the last one? Oh, with cockroaches.
Yeah, golden
Golden
cockroaches.
cockroaches, yeah.
Golden cockroaches.
Okay. So you can take the poop now.
Oh, let's go to the men's room.
Okay, let's go to the men's toilet.
Okay. In the hall between the toilets, you have these beautiful things.
Yeah.
This is the men's room. Men's toilet.
Oh, hello. Oh, he's very shy.
Oh, but he's peeing.
Yeah. Ah. In the men's toilet have the ducks.
Oh, the women's toilet have 2 ducks. This is just 1 duck.
I didn't
You
notice.
didn't see the
I
ducks?
didn't notice, yeah.
See?
I think, okay, the
more
toilets
ducks.
are similar.
Oh, yeah.
Decorations are similar, right?
They are a little different. No, I think they may be the same. Actually.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think they
Oh
are.
yeah, here's the
very
mirror
similar.
room.
Okay.
Yeah, but some of them are urinals. Okay, those on this
I'm
side
not
in the men's
sure
toilet.
this is urinals. I'm not
They are
sure.
urinals.
Ah, okay, okay. But the decoration are the same.
So,
Okay, you can poop now.
okay, but aren't you going to record me pooping?
No. Nobody
Censorship.
Nobody
Censorship.
Wants to, nobody,
Censorship.
Nobody wants to see that.
This is literally 1984.